Hi there. So in this video I'm going to quickly take you through how you can get the most out of Iyanko. So for you to reach this page that I'm on, depending on the device that you are using, for example if you're using an Android device, you can either go to Chrome or you can simply go to Google and then type in iyanko.com. Iyanko is a website, it's not yet an application, so it's a website but you can install it as an application. So for Android users, a pop-up is going to show if it's not installed. So it's going to ask you to install the application, and if you want to have it on your device, you can simply install it. For iOS users, you can go to the share button and then scroll downwards, and then you're going to see the add to home screen button there. So if you are not signed in, you first need to sign in for you to see some of these features that I'm going to show you in this video. And of course, if maybe you're just trying to just check out the site and whatnot, trying to see what's there, you can just tap on shop now and it will take you directly to the listings page where you can see the different items. So for the purpose of this video, I'm first of all going to sign in. So I'll just tap on sign in, and then I'm going to tap on sign in with Google. So once signed in, it's going to now redirect me to the listings page where I can now see the different listings that are there on the site. So when you look at the bottom there, there are the different tabs that are there on the website. So there's the listings page, there's the videos page, the notifications page, stores, as well as the menu. Then on the listings page that we are on, there are those two buttons in the top right corner, which is the filter button and the sort button. So when I tap on the filter button there, as you can see at the moment there are only about 3 filters that you can use. So there's price, so you can enter the minimum price there that you want and the maximum price that you want for certain items. Then the location as well. So for the location, you can actually choose which province you maybe want to see items in, or maybe the city or the area, for example. So in this case, say maybe I want to see items that are there in town or in Misisi and whatnot, so I can select those things there. And then when it comes to the province, at the moment there's only Lusaka and Central Province, so if I want to, I can choose to filter by Central Province there, and then I'm just going to tap on save location, then I'm going to tap on apply filters. So when I apply filters, as you can see, these are listings that have been posted but are in Central Province. So if you are somebody who hasn't yet signed in, and maybe you're probably going to see things that are in Lusaka first. So if you want to see things that are maybe in Kabwe, if you are checking this video, if you're watching this video maybe from Kabwe and you want to see listings there, then you can simply tap on filter and then you go to location and then choose Central Province if you want to see items there. But of course, if you've signed in, then by default the province that's going to be selected for you is going to be the province that you are currently in, if that province has got things that have been posted. So the other filter that's there is the delivery filter. So for some items, for example, say you're in Kabwe and you want to order something in Lusaka, you can choose to say, okay, maybe I just want to see the items that are being delivered, maybe cross province or cross country or something like that. So you can just tap on cross province and then you get to see the items that are being delivered. So currently in Kabwe, there aren't any that are being delivered cross cross province. So let me tap on reset. So when I tap on reset, then it's going to pick the previous location that was being used before. So I'm going to tap on apply filters. So now I'm back to the listings that are in Lusaka, and then for these listings I can now check delivery there, and then I choose maybe cross province so that I see items that are being delivered cross province, and all these different items are being delivered cross province. The other thing is that some of the filters will only show depending on the category that you've selected. So for example, say I tap on the category for clothing. So when you tap on the category for clothing, you can check out the different clothes that are there. But so now when you tap on filter, it's now going to add some more filters that you can use. So for clothing, for example, if you only want to see things that are meant for males or females, you can tap on the gender option there. The style, if you want to see casual fitting, formal fitting, business, streetwear, sportswear, vintage, minimalist, and whatnot. So you can always choose those ones. So for the size as well, you can choose the different sizes that you want. If it's extra small, if it's small, medium, large, extra large, extra large. And these will also work for trousers as well, even though trousers have got numbered sizes. But if you know that your size is maybe medium, then you can just tap on medium, and the different trousers that are in the range of medium are going to be shown. Then the condition there, you can also select if you want to see new things or if you want to see second-hand things. This is especially useful, especially when it comes to maybe mobile devices or gadgets and whatnot. The location there, as explained before, as well as the delivery. So you can always check out these things, just tap on any category and then get to see the different things that are there and the filters as well. Then when it comes to the sort by, the one that's in the top right corner, so you can select what you want to sort the listings by. So when you tap on select there, you can either select if you want to see most relevant, if you want to see the newest items first, or maybe you want to see prices maybe low to high, or maybe you want to see the prices high to low, or maybe you want to see those that are most popular first. So I'm going to tap on price low to high, so that I sort these things starting with the item that has got the lowest price. So as you can see, this is the lowest price, 180, 250, 250, 308, 1.5, 1500, 2300 and whatnot, until we reach the item with the highest price. So basically that's how you get to use the filters. Then when it comes to the listings themselves, say maybe I want to check out the different shoes. So you can see those items from Collins store there. So I'm just going to tap on this one, the Dior Home Blue. So I tapped on the view button there. So there's a view button, or you can just tap on the image if you want to see the actual item. So I'll just tap on the image there. And then you can swipe to the right or to the left if you want to see the other gallery images that have been added showing the same shoe in the same color from different angles, so that you get a better view of the shoe. If you want to maybe look at it full view, you can just tap on the same image and it's going to give you this nice full view if you want to see the item like that. So if you want to cancel, you just tap on the X there and it's going to cancel that and then bring you to this view. Then from there you can see the price. So you see the price of the item there, and you can also select the size if you want maybe size 42 and whatnot, and then you can also increase the quantity there. Of course the quantity can only be increased up to the number of available items, and then you can buy or you can add to your cart. You can also check out the category of the item there. You can check out the condition, gender, style, and the description of the item, and then it also show you the delivery options there. And you can also WhatsApp the seller if you want to. So you can WhatsApp the store and they are going to respond and tell you maybe if you've got any other questions and whatnot. Then the store there is also going to be shown. So it's showing Collins. It will also show you the location of the store. And if you want to visit the store, you can just tap on the image there, the image of the store profile, and it's going to bring you to this nice page where you're now going to see the about info of the store itself. So down there you also see things that have been recommended for you. So depending on what the item is, these things are going to be recommended for you to check out as well. Then there at the bottom, you're just going to see the reviews of the store. Of course, some stores may not have reviews at the moment, but you always get to see the reviews of the store down here. So for Collins store, there's only one review there. So the next thing are the collections. So as you can see here on the products, so on the product cards, there's for example, look at the New Balance 1000 sneakers there, the white one. As you can see, there's a folder icon next to the new tag. So that folder icon signifies a collection. So once you see the folder icon, just know that this item belongs to a collection. So a collection basically has the same item, but in different colors or maybe styles or something like that, but it is the same item. So for example, this is the New Balance 1000 sneaker. And so if I tap on either the folder there, the folder icon, or this button there at the bottom saying collection with an arrow. So if I tap on collection there, it's going to take me to the collection. So as you can see, this is a collection of New Balance 1000 shoes. So there's this green one, the one that has got some bit of green, and then the other one that's just, I don't know if this is white or gray. So there are these items that you can check out, and you can actually share this collection with a friend, or you can WhatsApp the seller to inquire about the collection itself and the items that are there. If you want, you can optionally add these items to the cart. Then there at the bottom again, you can tap on the image of the store and you can check out the store's profile. So the next thing that we'll now look at are the notifications. So your notifications page, as you can see there at the bottom tab, there's the notifications tab just in the middle. So I'm going to tap on that, and then this is where you get to see all the notifications that you have. So for example, if you made an order to a store, and maybe the store started processing the order, or if they've completed the order, or if they've cancelled the order, you are going to see all those notifications here on your notifications page. Then the other thing that you'll be able to see from here are the different things that have been posted by the stores that you follow. So if you follow a store and the store gets to post some new items, you are going to receive a notification to say that the store has posted some new items. And if you want to check out the store, you can simply tap on the notification itself. And for these other ones, for example, order cancelled there, as you can see on this one. So Iyanko Electronics cancelled your order of iPhone Pro second-hand smartphone. So you can choose to review the store, or you can choose to report the store. Now, for instances where a store cancels an order that was actually completed, you can actually report that store to Iyanko to say that the order was completed, but the store decided to cancel the order. So you can choose to report. And if you like the service of the store, of course, you can also choose to review the store. So you just tap on review store button, and then you can just select the stars that you want to give them. So if you decide to give them 5 stars, then it means it's excellent. If you maybe decide to give them 3 stars, then maybe it was kind of okay-ish, but it wasn't so okay. So you can give them 3 stars. And then optionally, you can also add some text. So you just get to explain what you liked about the store. Is it that maybe the seller was friendly? Maybe you liked how fast they responded and whatnot. So you just get to add those. So this is important. Always try to review stores as much as you can so that other people can benefit from your reviews, because people are going to be safer knowing exactly the reviews that other people have given about a store. So always remember to review a store when you order an item and maybe it has been completed, or even if it has been cancelled. Always remember to review stores. So there's also the stores tab there in the bottom tab, in the bottom tab. So you can check out the stores tab. So this is simply going to show you the different stores that are there on the platform. So the category is there at the top. So there's fashion and apparel. So if you tap on fashion and apparel, it's only going to show you the stores that are under fashion and apparel. If you tap on electronics and gadgets, it's going to show you the stores that are under this category. If you choose home and living, it's going to show you that. If you choose sports and outdoors, it's going to show you this one. So say maybe, for example, I want to check out King Chifundo Sportswear, and then so I'm just going to tap on it. And of course, the rating there in the order success. So the order success simply shows you the success rate of the completed orders by the store. So if the store has completed multiple orders and they haven't been cancelling orders, then this order success is going to be higher. Now, this is again important. Try to look for stores that have got a higher order success rate because it's actually good. So those ones are actually recommended. Then the rating there is simply going to show you the rating that people have given this store. So you can just tap on the store and then it's going to bring you to the store's landing page. So this is the landing page for King Chifundo Sportswear. Then if you check there in the top right corner, you can choose to follow the store. So if you tap on follow store, then you're going to start following King Chifundo Sportswear. And whenever they post some new items, you're going to be notified. So there under explore the store, you can choose to shop now, and it's going to take you to the main page for the store, where you can get to see the different items that have been posted by the store, as well as the different videos that are there in the location itself. And you can also share the store if you want to. Then this part is just simply going to show you the things that are new in. So the Juventus Black First Class jersey going at 250 is new in. You can check out all these different items that are there. This is just the profile of the store. Then you can also read the about info of the store. Then you also have the contact us part. So on this part, you're going to see the telephone number that you can WhatsApp the store on or call the store on, then the email address that you can email the store on, as well as the location. So for the location, you can choose to tap on get directions, and it's going to open this tray where you can get to choose whether you want to open the directions with Iyanko, Bolt, Uber, or Google Maps. So say maybe I want to choose Iyanko. So if I tap on Iyanko, it's going to get my current location, and it's going to add the final destination as the location of the store that I want to go to. So as you can see, it has already added the final location as Lumumba Road, which is exactly where King Chifundo store is. Then I'm coming from Nanshila Road, so it has also added the start location there. So you can make use of this, of course. It's a very useful tool, I would say, especially when you want to maybe get something from there, because say maybe you decided to order something and you want to pick up the item that you ordered. So you can simply tap on get directions, choose to open with Iyanko or maybe Google Maps if you are driving, and simply go there and get the item that you maybe ordered. So if you now want to check out the things that are there, you can just tap on shop now, and this is going to open this page where you can get to see everything about the store. And there's also the reviews button there. So if you tap on the reviews button, it's going to show you the different reviews that the store has, and you can actually choose to review the store if you want to from the same page. Then you also have the share store button where you can get to share the store with another person. Then here it's simply going to show you the items that have been posted by King Chifundo, and you can also tap on the item there and get to check the item out and also get to see these things. So as you can see, for this particular item, there's the 3+ arrow 220 each. So this simply shows you the order price, signifying that if you order 3 items or 4 items, then that's going to be considered an order. So if you make an order, the price is actually dropped to 220 instead of selling something to you at 250. Then again, you can select the size from there as earlier explained. So on this same page again, when you go back, you can also tap on the videos page. So this is just simply going to show you the different videos that have been posted by the store. That's if they've posted any. So at the moment, King Chifundo hasn't posted any videos, so there are no videos. But if they've posted any videos, then those videos are going to appear there. Then the contact section there is simply going to show you the same info, the telephone number, the email, as well as the location. So that's it on the store. Then the next page that I would want us to explore is the menu. So again, in the bottom right corner there, you will see the menu tab. So you can tap on menu and you'll see these different fields that you have. So you have the profile, the cart, orders. Of course, if you are a seller, you are also going to see my stores and dashboard. If you are not a seller, these 2 tabs are not going to be there in your profile. So in this case, I've got these 6 tabs. So if you tap on help, you're going to see the different videos that are there, including this one, which are helpful to you. And if you tap on profile, you're going to see your profile, your user profile, and everything else, your location. You can choose to update your location, change your password, or even sign out. And if you look there in the top right corner, you can even edit your profile. Now, it's important to always keep your location accurate. And when you want to change or update your location, it automatically gets your current location. So you ensure that you're at the place where you want your deliveries to be made to. So if you're at home, then you can just tap on update location, and we are going to get your current location and set that as the location that you want to be receiving deliveries on. This is important again, as I've mentioned, because the sellers are also going to see this same location when delivering items to you. So that's it on how to get the most out of Iyanko. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. So you can always check the help page, contact section, and you can always decide to either WhatsApp or email or even call if you've got any questions. Thank you.